Our system allows you to create bulk templates by uploading a spreadsheet. These templates can then be used to repeatedly capture data. DynamicLedger stores this captured data immutably as an NFF. This captured data can then be used in your reports. Let's take a look at this system now. This is a sample spreadsheet that demonstrates the format the system expects. We can download this spreadsheet and use it to create a template now. In DynamicLedger, we can navigate to the ESG data section, then to templates and import. In the import section, we can find the spreadsheet we downloaded, upload it, and click process. This generates a preview of the template that we can verify and modify before finalizing the import. You can modify templates after creating or importing them later. Once we are happy, we can click Import and DynamicLedger will create your templates. Now when we go to the template list, we can see our new template. Clicking on it will open the data capture view. Once all of the data is entered, we can click Submit to store the data as an immutable NFF. Now we can view the data backing the NFF. DynamicLedger looks to minimize friction and slot into your existing workflow. One way we do this is by processing the document you provide to us, inserting the reference data, and providing you with an NFF-backed version to download and use to create the final design of your report. Let's take a look at this process now. The first thing we need to do is get the reference data from the NFF, which holds the data that we want to include in our report. Once we have that, we can add it to the appropriate places in our document. The next step is to create a draft report. Now that we have our draft report set up, we can upload our content. When you upload the document, the system will generate a simplified preview of it, highlighting where the references have been replaced with data from the NFF. You can check that everything is okay, then send the draft for review. Once the draft has been approved, the Publish button will be enabled. Publishing the report will create an immutable NFF, and you will no longer be able to make changes. On the published report page, we can find relevant information about the NFF backing it. And we can download the new document. In a document downloaded from a published report on DynamicLedger, you'll find an appended page at the end containing the NFF reference information, which can be used to find and review the data that is included in your report. You can then give this content to your designer, who can produce the final design as usual.